I'm going to be recreating this sultry date night look, so if you're interested, make sure you keep watching, but subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I'm just taking this Clinique Moisture Surge and I'm just going to apply a little bit to my face, and this is going to help with my dry skin and make my foundation look really good. Now I'm just going to take some hair clips and pin my hair back so that the makeup won't get on my hair and so that the hair can just be out of the way. I'm using Tarte's concealer in the color Tan Deep Sand, and I'm just placing it on my eyelids as a primer, and I'm going to take a beauty blender and just blend that out. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills NORVINA Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to be taking that color C5, and that's going to be my first color that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be putting it in my crease. It's like a dark kind of burgundy color, and I'm going to use the Pack Then Blend method, and I'm just taking a regular little small blending brush. All the details will be in the description. I'm literally just doing the same thing to the other eye. I'm just packing and blending, and I'm trying to keep the color kind of more so near the crease. I'm kind of blending out in a circle and also moving kind of just from left to right, right to left, and it's just helping blend it out really seamlessly. I cut the part out of me putting this shadow on my lid, which is the D1 color in the NORVINA Volume 2 palette. I mean, all I did was pack it on my lid. I didn't even cut the crease, but now I'm just taking Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the same color, and I'm just cleaning up the eyeshadow to give it a more precise look. And I'm really sorry for cutting that out, but it was a mess before this. I'm just taking the beauty blender now to clean that concealer up. And oh, I forgot to tell y'all, I put the color C1 in my tear duct because I just love a pop of color. I'm just taking Cover FX Water Cloud Primer and applying it to my face. I'm just taking NARS Radiating Longwear Foundation in MACCAO, and I'm going to be applying that to my face. Like, when I mean this is my perfect shade, that's exactly what I meant. Like, I am shook. I never had a foundation match my color to a T like this. Now I'm just blending it out with this IT Cosmetic Your Star foundation brush. It's in the star shape, and I am kind of stippling it and then blending it out. Yeah, so I'm still blending out this foundation. Like, just when you think you're done, like, no, I still gotta blend this out. I'm taking this True Complexion Contour palette. If you know, you know. And I'm taking this to contour my forehead, my cheeks, and my nose to give a snatch look. And I showed out today because I never do my forehead. Now I'm just taking a kabuki brush to blend out the contour lines because they were really harsh. I'm highlighting with the same concealer I've been using throughout the video, the Shape Tape, and I am highlighting under eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, underneath my chin, and above my lip, and I'm using this Beauty Blender puffer to blend it out. I'm missing so much footage, but basically I used Too Faced Peach Perfect Satin Powder, and I set my face, and now I'm taking this Maybelline pressed powder in the color Natural Tan, and I'm just applying it where I had put that satin powder. I don't know where that clip is, honestly. I lost so much footage. It's just crazy. Now I'm taking MAC's blush in the color Swiss and I'm putting it over top of my contour to deepen it up and give me some more definition to my cheekbones that don't exist. And I'm taking MAC's blush in the color Fever and I'm just going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm just taking my e.l.f. Kabuki face brush and just blending everything out. I love to use this brush when I'm finished everything and it dust away any excess powder and it just gets a flawless finish. Now I'm going back into my NORVINA palette and I'm going into the color A5, and yeah, this is volume 2 and I'm putting this color on my waterline. I'm using my Wet n Wild highlighter in the color Awesome Blossom. It's so bright and pigmented. I'm using it everywhere. I'm just using it on my brow bone, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and the apples of my cheek. Anywhere where I want my highlighter to be popping. And you definitely don't need a lot of this because it is so pigmented. And y'all, I was being extra today. I put some on my forehead and my chin. I usually never do that. But now I'm just taking my e.l.f. Kabuki brush to go ahead and tone it down some because this color is super pigmented. Now I'm just applying this Pretty and Petite volumizing mascara. I'm just taking this NYX Fire in Your Element palette and I'm going into this plum looking color because I do not have a plum liner no more, but you can take MAC's Night Moth pencil and line your lip with this color. And I'm going to use it to do kind of like an ombre effect. I really need to stop playing and get another plum liner. Now I'm just taking MAC's Velvet Teddy, my favorite nude by them, and applying it to my lips for a ombre effect. Now I'm just taking a clear lip gloss and applying it straight over the Velvet Teddy. I'm going back into that Wet n Wild Awesome Blossom color and applying some more back to my cupid's bow and the bridge of my nose because I just want it a little brighter. Now I'm taking Morphe's Holiday Edition Continuous Set and Mist and I'm going to set my face. And I'm back. How do y'all like this look? It turned out way better than I could have ever imagined. But yeah, I really do hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow. I'm sorry a couple clips got deleted or I really just couldn't find them. But if you really enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.